Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable automatic deposits on Chime, full guide step by step clearly. To disable automatic deposits on Chime, start by opening the Chime app on your mobile device. Log into your Chime account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings section. You can find this option in the menu, usually represented by a gear icon. In the account settings menu, look for the direct deposit option. Tap on Direct Deposit to access your deposit settings. Here, you will see your current direct deposit setup. To disable automatic deposits, look for an option that says Edit or Manage Deposits. Tap on this option to make changes to your direct. You may see a toggle switch or a checkbox indicating that automatic deposits are enabled. Switch this toggle off or uncheck the box to disable the feature. After making your changes, ensure that you save or confirm the settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that automatic deposits have been successfully disabled. To double-check, go back to the direct deposit settings to ensure the toggle is off. If everything looks good, you have successfully disabled automatic deposits on Chime. Now you can manage your deposits manually as per your preference. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Chime customer support. Remember that changes may take a few days to fully process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.